Welcome back to Overheat, Rolls Royce Motorhome 2026. The Rolls Royce brand idea of elegance, comfort, high performance, and high levels of personalization applied to a motorhome format will serve as the foundation for this day. Description: exterior, moving splendor, iconic front fascia. The beautiful spirit of Ecstasy insignia at the top highlights the soaring Pantheon Grille with its characteristic vertical slats. Flowing body lines, proper proportions between the living area and the driver's cabin. Aerodynamic, smooth body lines reduce noise and wind resistance. The vehicle's height may be adjusted for optimal comfort in a range of driving conditions thanks to the adaptive air suspension system. One of the advanced exterior features, complete external lighting system with ambient lighting that is subtly included. Exclusive wheels and tires, high-performance tires made for the best possible handling and comfort are matched with large alloy wheels that have a recognizable Rolls-Royce style. Interior, a luxurious mobile haven. Personal and flexible layout, interior designs that are entirely adaptable to the tastes of the owner. Large living spaces, formal dining rooms, gourmet kitchens, opulent master bedrooms, sophisticated baths, and even private offices are all possible. The finest hand-stitched leathers, exquisitely finished exotic timbers, priceless metals, and plush wool or silk carpets are examples of best-in-class materials. Ambient lighting systems that may be customized to provide various moods based on personal preferences are known as customizable ambient lighting. Technology and performance, strong and smooth engine for maximum torque and smoothness. A more sophisticated version of Rolls-Royce's V12 engine may be used, or for a more environmentally friendly future, an advanced electric drivetrain may be used. Smooth transmission. This automatic transmission is made to shift gears incredibly quickly and smoothly.